Did you get it?
That's actually really good.
Yeah, buddy. What are you picking?
This is not gonna pop off.
You're gonna have to break it, I guess.
One of us is winning today, and it's gonna be me. Sky and Dad, let's build. That was nice. I like that one. We have 30 minutes, and whichever rare cards we pull from a pack, we're gonna paint and try to make it look cool.
Alright, if I lose, Skyler gets to pick my clothes that I have to wear for a day Instacart.
And if I lose, my dad has to pick which clothes I wear when I go to school. And you all know dads have bad takes.
Alright.
I don't know how to do it. What do you do? I'm just going for it.
No, you go. I think you go like this, Dad. You put it here. Did you get it?
Bro.
Show me.
Bro.
Show me. Show me.
No way. Look at it sparkle.
Show me.
No. You'll have to see when I draw it. Alright, guys. We got 30 minutes. I don't know. Oh, you almost saw the card. You almost saw my card. No. No. That's mine. No.
I can see it.
No, you can't. Dude, this thing's crazy. All right, you ready? Go. Oh, dude, the pencils don't work on this.
Mine do.
I'm gonna have to just go for it.
Come on.
Oh my god, no. No. Oh my god, I made him. I made him special. Oh my god.
My guy looks like if a hippo had a baby with a pelican.
And the little depth to the trees. You know.
Like any sane person would.
Yeah, of course. Gotta make them more colorful. Really makes them vibrant and stand out. Like, it's almost like you're in the forest. Look at it. Yep, it's almost like you're... Feels like you're right there.
Just right there, right there.
Right in the forest, dude. See, then you take this color right here, and it helps with the water, see?
It doesn't show.
What, did you use this one before?
Yes, it does not show.
Yeah, it makes the water all three-dimensional. See, a true artist knows how to really get the best out of his painting. Sometimes you gotta do a little tap action. Tap it. And if it doesn't work, you gotta yell at it. Work! Oh no, I got marker all over me. From what? Oh, from that. Oh, and I smeared it on my painting. I did that on purpose. It's a happy little accident.
Dad, you can't see that.
I created that term after I heard it.
From somebody.
From the Ross man himself. Bam, look at that. Is just... Dude, now that took it to a whole new level. It's gorgeous. I am a bit of a Picasso. A bit of a Picasso. So maybe should I throw a little yellers in there? A little bit of yellers? Put a little yellers in there, kind of boost out the greens.
Oh no, I dropped my billy.
Oh.
Oh no.
Yeah, see, look at this, little yellers. Bro, this is... Oh, yeah, now it really looks like your own. I can smell the trees, it looks so realistic. And you know what this big knows, I can smell a lot for... Oh. Gorgeous. Dude, that's at least a $50,000 dream. At least, dude. What sign you got? Make me a coffee.
Done.
You're done?
I done.
No way.
I done.
What? I made a coffee.
I go first.
You go first? No way. No way. Alright, let me. Look at the sparkle. Look at that sparkle.
Let me see.
Isn't it beautiful?
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Oh. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know what it is, but isn't it cool? And it's got these weird like little designs in it when it sparkles. Oh.
What it is?
Looks just like it, right? Bro. Bro.
I can show you because my camera's not working. They spot on, right? I know. Artist. Oh no, it's driven.
Who do you think won? I think I won for sure. Comment Sky if you think he won. Boo. Oh wow. That's actually really good. Dang it.
He's a water type. He's a water type and he's an ice type. So I thought.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to wear something stupid to work. Comment Dad, guys. I really need you on this one. Comment Dad. If you think Dad won, comment Dad. I mean, even if you don't think Dad won, comment Dad. I need you on this.